here's your forecast first from Fox 11 meteorologist Phil DeCastro.
Still mild out there, and it is still quiet, much like it was yesterday evening. Still sitting at 29 degrees, going to be getting down only to a low of about 22 degrees under mostly clear skies. And then those high, thin clouds will start to thicken up as we move on through the afternoon. But the temperatures are also going to rise 41 degrees by the time we get through the daytime high tomorrow afternoon. Partly sunny skies expected. Again, those clouds thickening up through the afternoon, but it's nothing that's going to raise the severe weather index past the low category. The weather story is that it's going to be remaining mild into this week, not just for the day tomorrow. And here's a look at your highs for the next 5 days. Around 41 tomorrow, 40 for Tuesday, 39 Wednesday, and oh boy, down into the 30s, the mid-30s by the end of the week, but it's still above average for this time of the year. I should be sitting right around that 29-degree mark. Right now in Green Bay, again, 29 degrees. Where high should be, and it's well into the evening now. 30 degrees right now in Sturgeon Bay, a mild evening there as we move into Appleton, also sitting at 30 degrees, very quiet weather. Manitowoc also sitting at 30 degrees. I think you're noticing a pattern now, and as we push all the way down into Shawano, 27 degrees there, a little bit cooler, but still very, very mild. Current conditions across the rest of the state, 24 Wausau, 29 in Hayward. Very, very clear skies, not a cloud in the sky until you move back out to Minneapolis. A couple of clouds there, but only partly cloudy skies being reported. This is down not that far from our high temperatures of around 40 degrees in northeastern Wisconsin. Further off to our west, even milder, and I think tomorrow that milder air stays in place. Departures from our normal highs around 10 to 12 degrees, and even actually a little bit warmer as you head out to the west. Now, as I mentioned, there are a couple clouds out that way, just starting to edge on into the far western parts of Wisconsin, but I don't think that we're going to get into those clouds until we move on through the day tomorrow. There is a front that this is associated with. You can see some snow riding along that front as you move back out into the western parts of the Dakotas, and it has actually passed on through Rapid City. You see that shift in the wind there now coming out of the northwest, whereas the winds in Fargo and North Platte both out of the southeast. But if you notice the temperatures, well, they haven't suffered much in Rapid City. You're still sitting at 36 degrees, only in the upper 30s on the front side of that. So our temperature is not suffering much at all, even as the system passes on by us on Tuesday. So here's what that looks like with our future track. High pressure in control. That slowly starts to fade away off towards our west. We see those clouds thicken up over the course of the day tomorrow. But look at how that snow just falls apart along that front as we move on through the day on Tuesday. I don't think we pick up very much at all in the way of any snowfall accumulations. Again, nothing through the day on Monday. Tuesday, just picking up very light accumulations through the afternoon. Maybe a couple more snowflakes on Tuesday night before we dry out on Wednesday. For tonight, 22 degrees, mostly clear. For tomorrow, increasing high clouds, 41 degrees, very mild day. And then Tuesday, still 40 degrees. I think it will stay light snow because most of the atmosphere is going to be cold enough to support that snow, just milder at the surface. That, no doubt, going to be impacting how much sticks as well. Good chance for that snow. And I think we got a chance for some accumulating snow on Thursday and then again into the end of the weekend. But no matter what day you look at, except for maybe Saturday, temperatures above average. So very mild pattern despite the fact that we could see some snow mixed in there a few days.
Should be a messy week.
Yeah, up and down.
Slushy.
All right.